How to add or remove sound notifications shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on hearing enhancements and then tap on sound notifications. Then tap on sound notifications shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When you switch it on for the first time, there will be a pop-up asking you to choose which shortcut you would like to use, or you can use all of them. So here I can choose tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, and press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Then tap on OK. And here I can quickly open up sound notifications by using the accessibility button. And here I can tap on sound notifications. I can use the shortcut with the side key and the volume up key. So press and let go. Then it will open up a menu. I can quickly access sound notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.